All set now, ready to race. Race number 2. The favorite, Una Mujer. And the race is on. Ideal View moving up by the runs. Una Mujer, followed by So Gorgeous, Erica's Champ, Ideal View. Karma is racing in 5th by about 2 lengths. Ray Magic is racing in 6th by about 4 lengths. Make no mistake, and Hakuna Matata is running at the tail of the field by about 9 to 10 lengths of the leader. Back the front runner, Una Mujer by a length and a half. So Gorgeous is running in 2nd. Erica's Champ racing in 3rd by about 2 lengths. Another 2 lengths corner back in 4th, Ideal View and Karma Gray Magic as they race the last 500. Una Mujer by a length and a half. So Gorgeous is running in 2nd as they race the last 250. Una Mujer by about 2 lengths now. So Gorgeous and Karma Danori inside Ray Magic and nearing the finish line. Una Mujer by about 4 lengths. And finally, it's a scintillating run coming from the horse of Mr. Nardinabal, Una Mujer. So Gorgeous, Ideal View, Gray Magic.